Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Teclast F16 Pro, an affordable laptop that aims to strike a balance between cost and functionality. Let's see if it lives up to its promises. The Teclast F16 Pro is designed for casual users who don't need a powerhouse but still want a reliable machine for everyday tasks. Priced competitively, it's marketed as a budget-friendly option with some intriguing features. Starting with the design, the F16 Pro feels unmistakably budget-oriented. It's constructed to meet a low price point, and that shows in its build quality. The chassis is plastic, and while it keeps the weight down, it doesn't inspire confidence in durability. The keyboard is decently sized with a numeric pad, but the trackpad is notably subpar, often necessitating an external mouse. Under the hood, we have an Intel N95 processor from the 12th generation Alder Lake N series, which offers basic performance suitable for light tasks. It's paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512GB SATA SSD. Unfortunately, the SSD is SATA, not NVMe, limiting potential speed improvements. In terms of connectivity, the F16 Pro includes a mix of ports: 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, 1x Mini HDMI, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. It lacks newer standards like USB 3.2 Gen 2, which would have offered faster data transfer rates. The 15.6-inch IPS display offers full HD resolution, adequate for most tasks but not outstanding in terms of color accuracy or brightness. Audio quality from the built-in speakers is average, suitable for video calls and casual media consumption. Moving on to performance, the Intel N95 processor handles basic tasks like web browsing and document editing adequately. However, it struggles with more demanding applications or multitasking, partly due to its limited PCIe lanes and SATA SSD. Battery life is another area where the F16 Pro falls short, offering around 4 hours of mixed usage. This might be sufficient for short sessions but falls behind competitors offering longer endurance. Using Windows 11 Pro out of the box, the F16 Pro benefits from a familiar operating system, but doesn't leverage its hardware to its full potential due to inherent limitations of the processor and storage. Interestingly, the F16 Pro includes dual M.2 slots, though accessing them for upgrades is cumbersome, especially with the design quirks around the M.2 slot access. To wrap up, the Teclast F16 Pro is a budget laptop that serves its purpose for light users who prioritize cost over performance. It's suitable for tasks like web browsing and media consumption, but it won't handle intensive applications or gaming due to its hardware limitations. If you're on a tight budget and need a laptop mainly for basic tasks like web surfing and watching videos, the Teclast F16 Pro offers reasonable value. However, if you require more power or better build quality, you might want to consider other options in a slightly higher price range. That concludes our review of the Teclast F16 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.